I'm not gonna go.
Started recording.
I'll stay with you.
Yeah, injury. Whoa!
No! Come on.
Oh, just get on, damn it.
Can I take the video?
Yeah, you take it.
No. You're holding the dog.
You hold the dog. Your hands are wet.
No, come on.
Joel's wet fingers.
No, they're
Yeah.
Not
dry.
give me-
They're dry.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah, grab it. Ah. Oh,
It's pinky.
What?
Look.
Oh, ew.
Yeah. Look at that. Injury.
Let me see this one.
Oh, yeah.
Lie down. Lie down. No, don't go. Don't go.
Okay, take it, and I'll take it with the camera. I'll be extra cautious, I promise. I'll risk the camera for my life. Yeah.
Joel, make Moose lie down.
Moose, down. 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 Don't beg. Down. Down. Come on. Moose, down. Down. I'm not comfortable right now. Sit. Sit. I'll do it. Yeah. Trust me. No. If it does hit the grass, I'll cradle it.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'll risk my life before it. What?
That's enough water damage already.
No, I'll like literally
Scott, what happened?
hold it.
I hit the grass and now my ass.
Yeah, I'll go over here so we can't hit the grass. Holy crap, that's cold! I have an idea. Scott goes down while I chase him with the camera.
No!
Yeah.
My butt's so wet.
Hey, you won't hit anything when you're going down this way.
Oh yeah, and
Better
then
be careful.
I will. Okay. Over to the right? Yeah. Way too much on the grass, yo. You gotta sit down. Here, I'll hold it for you. No, get off.
no,
One sec. Just get off.
Oh, shit!
Oh! Ah! That's cold!
Oh, God!
Oh, I think so got on my underpants. Oh!
that didn't help. Get off the plane.
Trying to.
Come on, Joe. It's
My left
Call of
hand, too.
Duty.
I know, totally.
My boxer. Oh God.
Ah!
Oh no. Oh no. Joe.
Hey, Zoomy. Okay, carry the thing.
Please tell me you got that.
I got all of it. Let's carry the thing. Carry it. Oh. I swear, snow went down my pants.
That was hilarious. Did you get that?
Yeah?
Good.
It's still playing. Oh.
Ready, Moose? Wanna go again? Wanna go again? Go.
Okay, your turn, Scott. Run beside me. I can put him back in the leash right now. You dog.
Moose!
Come here. Moose, come here.
Moose!
Come here.
Moose.
Sit. Sit. Okay, now you run beside me with the camera.
Wait, Moose.
Okay. Oh. My boxers. My shirt is coming up, and then he drags me under the snow. Okay, let's go.
I hit a button. Oh, it's so freaking cold.
I know.